Hello there, this is Stacy from Stacy Rabbit Jewelry Designs. Today I'm here to unbox the March subscription bead box from the Bead Obsession. I'm starting with the star of the show, and these are 10 by 8 millimeter opaque orange faceted rondelles. Look at the number of these gorgeous statement beads that you get, and you will see why shortly. This box is called Painted Desert. One of my favorites in this box are these big 12 by 14 white Picasso Saturn beads. These are really very beautiful desert-y statement beads. And this is probably my favorite in the box. This deserty themed box has all kinds of fun beiges and browns and oranges in it. The first beads I wanted to share are these beautiful 5 millimeter beige Picasso drugs. They are true rounds and they are absolutely stunning. These cute little goldenrod Picasso fire polished beads in a 4 millimeter are a beautiful shade. A little orange, a little brown, really a pretty mix. Look at these cute little 3 by 5 millimeter goldenrod Picasso rondelles. These are really pretty, and they are a very cute little petite bead. And if you want some sparkle, here are some 7 millimeter champagne luster fire polished round beads. And these have just the gorgeous and most prettiest shimmer to them. I'm a big fan of bees. And so of course I love this cute little toggle clasp with a gold bee pattern to it. This box comes with this gorgeous 18 karat gold glass plated brass clear teardrop pendant. This is really a beautiful but subtle statement piece. This box is also full of beautiful shades of turquoise, and I love all the Picasso beads included in this set. The first thing I wanted to share are these very unique tube beads. And these are turquoise Picasso tubes, and they're 14 by 7. They're a good size bead, and it would look really great on an earring or a necklace. I also love these matte green turquoise Picasso dented round beads. They are 8 millimeter. And I love that there's a mix of matte and shiny finishes to the beads in this box. This box also contains a variety of different shapes and sizes. These are 10 millimeter opaque turquoise Picasso squares. And these are really a fun shape. Great for making some statement pieces with. Next up are these blended turquoise Picasso fire polished ovals. These have some beautiful different shades of green and a touch of gold to them as well. And last but not least are these 3 by 5 millimeter rondelles that are goldenrod and turquoise. And I'm bringing them closer because they are just a beautiful mix of browns and turquoises. And these will blend beautifully with some of the browns and beiges included in this box. Thank you for joining me as I unboxed the Bead Obsession's monthly bead box for March called Painted Desert. Fun colors. I really look forward to working more with this box.